Hello and welcome everyone. This is your host Abdul Majid Mangrio. Today we are going to learn how to create string objects in Java and use them. Here we are going to finally talk about the topic of strings in Java. Let's start. Like this is a class which I have created like a string demo 1, and this is the main method of Java which is going which is supposed to execute, and inside we have system.out.println. So this is the most common statement in Java, which is used to print something in the console. Like for instance, we have something like I love Java, and we try to print that. We run this file, and we got the output. I love Java. So basically, what string is a sequence of characters inside Java. Mostly the string is an object which is always inside this double quotation. So over here, Java knows like in this statement in the print ln, inside that we are added double quotation, and inside that we have written some characters like I space LOVE space JAVA. So this is a sequence of characters. So Java knows like anything typed inside the double quotation is considered as a string. So we can also try to add some numbers like 1, 4, 6, something, and symbols as well, like at the rate, dollar sign, exclamation. Let's try to run this. Let's see if it is getting printed or not. Okay, I love Java and this number and then the symbols. So it means like any character which comes inside this double quotation gets printed. Okay, so let's get started in creating string object in Java. String, let's name it str equals to, and inside double quotation, let's say like tennis. So here I have created an object of a string with the name of str and assigned it the value tennis. And we can also do a thing with this print like he is good at, or he is skilled at, and then we can also append this str in the end of this statement, like by doing this plus sign, like this appends the strings like str. We are going to add this str here, and see, this is the general statement in the println, and he is a good skilled at, and then we have appended this object at the end of this. Let's try to run it and see what is the output. He is good skilled at tennis. Pardon my English, but we have appended this object in the end of this statement. You can further like you can also do this like string name equals John and terminator in the end. Let's try this one, and we can say like we can also append it in the start of this sentence like name. We have appended this name object here, and we can do like John is skilled at. Okay, is skilled at, and in the end we have this upper one tennis, and in the beginning as name. Let's try to run it. Voila, John is skilled at tennis. So we will find a lot of methods inside string which we will further discover and use in our upcoming sessions. For now we had a brief introduction about printing the strings And we know like inside these quotations we can put numbers or any type of characters. So this was all about the string. Let's find latest updates in our upcoming session. Thank you very much, guys. Stay tuned.